If you're looking for a powerful way to organize and streamline your workflow, Process.st's template library might just be the solution you've been searching for. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use the template library to save time, increase efficiency, and get your processes on track with minimal effort. First, let's dive into the template library. Once you log into Process.st, you'll immediately notice how easy it is to find a template that fits your needs. Whether you're managing a project, onboarding a new team member, or creating a standard operating procedure, the template library has templates designed for all of these tasks and more. The best part? It's not only organized, but it's also customizable to match your specific business requirements. Now, how do you actually use these templates? Start by browsing the library. You'll find templates categorized by type. Whether you're in marketing, HR, finance, or operations, there's something for everyone. You can search by category or use the search bar to find templates that best match your needs. Once you've found a template, you can click on it to see a detailed preview. This preview lets you see the steps, tasks, and structure before you even start using it. This is a great way to ensure the template fits your needs before applying it to your workflow. If the template is a good fit, simply click Use Template, and it's instantly added to your workspace. But don't just stop there. Process.st makes it incredibly easy to tailor any template to suit your unique processes. You can edit steps, add new tasks, assign team members, and adjust deadlines. This flexibility is what really sets Process.st apart. It doesn't just provide templates, it lets you build your processes from the ground up, using a simple, user-friendly interface. You can also save any customizations you make to the templates. This is super helpful for teams that work on recurring processes, as you can create your own template library that's specific to your business. It's like building your own library of best practices that your entire team can access at any time. Another cool feature is the ability to share templates with your team or even with the Process.st community. If you've built a custom process that works well, you can share it with others or download templates created by other users to use in your own business. It's a great way to learn from others and continually improve your processes. But the real magic of Process.st's template library is in its automation. Once you've customized your templates, you can set up automated workflows that trigger actions based on specific criteria. This is perfect for streamlining repetitive tasks, keeping everyone on track, and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Automating workflows saves a ton of time and reduces human error. Before we wrap up, here's the best part. You can try Process.st completely free with our exclusive offer. Get access to the template library, all of its features, and more without any commitments. The first link below gives you an extended free trial so you can start streamlining your processes right away. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to use Process.st's template library to create and manage efficient processes for your team. Don't miss out on this powerful tool. Click the link below to get started today.